What's up, guys? Just doing a quick update here. So we did get a breakout on BCH here, and we did actually confirm some support here for once on this 567 area, which was absolutely phenomenal. We did end up with a red TD9 flash on the 3-hour. We ended up with a red TD9 flash, not yet but on the 4-hour soon here, right? So a couple more candles here. We'll get a red TD9 flash. We got a red TD9 flash on the daily. It kind of looks like it created, almost like an inverse head and shoulders a little bit there. But, I'm a little nervous of this being some type of double top here. This time we're spending a little more time up in this area, which is a good sign, of course. But, for me, I don't think it's worth it to hold this thing much longer for now. I do have targets up in this 629, 628 level. I have targets at the 611, 615 level as well. So, we could potentially come up to that level there of 611 or so, 612. But I think I'm going to lock in some profits here on my trade because last time I kind of just gave it the benefit of the doubt and I ended up not doing so. Now, the thing is that we don't have to drop all the way down, right? Because we now know that from this last time that we consolidated up in that level, that this 576 level could be a new area of support with a potential wick down to this 567 and then a nice bounce here to bring us up higher. So for me, I did take profits and I actually sold half of my position right here. And I'm going to re-enter, whether I have to buy it here or if it starts consolidating here for a couple days or, however this plays out. But if you look at the 45-minute, and this is just the 45-minute, we're up in this overextended area here that we like to drop from. And on the hourly, we're getting up into that same level. On the 2-hour, we're getting up in that same level. 3-hour, we're starting to work our way up, so we could come up a little higher. And then same with the 4-hour, we could come up a little higher here. So, like I said, we could come up to the 628. That's very possible because we have an 8 candle next and then a 9 flash. So maybe we'll hit the 630 this time. That's very possible, but like I said, I'm taking half of my position here after this video, actually. I don't think I took it yet, but, I didn't take it yet, but I'm going to take it after this. But I literally was about to take it, and I said, you know what, I'm going to make a video and then see where the price is, and by the time this video is done, I'm probably going to take it somewhere between the 605, 611. If you're in a position that you can just set a stop loss, you could throw a stop loss either below this 589, you could set a stop loss below this 567, you could throw a stop loss below this pattern support at 546, or you can set a stop loss right below the 600 level and put it at 592 or something. But that's really up to however you want to play it, or you can take some profits, or you can just hold on if you're, long-term, that's fine. I'm just doing short-term, mid-term trades here. And then I'll end up re-entering depending on how this all plays out after the fact. Could we flag out here? We could. We could definitely flag out here and reset everything. And that's possible. And if we start doing that and I see a pattern breaking and we break resistance of that pattern, then I'll enter another trade and expect the next resistance here and so on and so forth. But for now, I feel more comfortable just locking it in just to be safe. So I wanted to put this quick video out there on that just so you guys see what I'm seeing. But on the weekly, we got this beautiful setup right here. And, we got a bounce on the RSI. So, we look like we have time to, we have room to continue going on the weekly, of course, but that doesn't mean that we can't come down and test any lower levels again, right? 532, anything like that. So, we'll have to wait and see how it works out. But, right now, like I said, we are getting some support up in this area. Not supports, but we are getting above this resistance here finally. So that is a good bullish sign. The problem for me is that just being a little bit overextended, these red TD9 flashes usually are warnings of corrections. and all of that, it just makes more sense to me to that this isn't going to have the room to go as high as we want just yet. We might need one more pullback here, and then maybe to 550, maybe to 575. We'll have to see how that plays out, and then we can run. But we did confirm some support here. So, I mean, whether or not it needs to come back again and do it to prove to everyone that this is major support, that's what we're going to find out shortly here. But for now, that's what my game plan is. So I just wanted to do that quick video there so you guys can see what I'm seeing. But like I said before, just so we can all see this target real quick, because, you know, it's very possible that it's going to hit this target before it corrects. And, I mean, this target is pretty decent here, right? So it looks like it's right above the 630 level. So probably it could hit the 638, 627 here. I mean, 630, 627. But with all that being said, I'm out of here, guys. Good luck on your trading. Peace.